Hey everyone, just like last video, I said I am getting to the military monkey, or well, the tower basically, the dartling monkey. So, what I'm gonna do is I don't really know, I haven't heard really much about this dartling monkey, but we could join in and, well, test how good this monkey is. Okay. Let's do, just like last time, we'll place down, whatever
With enough fuel and air,
name is.
everything burns.
And yeah, we'll just wait a little bit until we get our dart monkey. Slow down. There we go. Let's upgrade quick shooting. That's gonna help us. And
Oh yeah!
I'm not gonna really spend a lot. I'm just gonna get the dartling monkey and then, well, yeah, just absolutely minigun people. I keep on messing up. Balloons, not people. Okay, you guys didn't hear any of that. Let's see. Yeah, I'm just gonna save up for dartling monkey. But if something goes wrong, then, oh, nothing went wrong. We're all good. Wait. What in the, oh, okay.
Hey!
He's gonna, no. There. Oh my god. Look at this dude. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna do this bottom one and this middle one. Okay. Oh yeah, I can already see the difference here. Geez, this dartling monkey's very powerful. No wonder you have to pop like 20 million balloons to get him. Like, yeah, he is super duper powerful. Okay, I'm gonna get the ninja monkey in here. He's one of my favorite monkeys. But I've upgraded the ice monkey life so much.
Awesome!
Let's check upgrades. Okay, I'm gonna go for middle. Gonna spend all my XP on him. Let's get the blue guy. And I think we do middle and bottom. Yeah. Holy okay, this guy is overpowered. Like, he is so overpowered. This is probably my new favorite defense. Yeah. This is my new favorite defense. Oh, this is the biggest monkey money I've ever gotten from that. Dude, oh my. No. There we go. Oh yes, I already can feel the power. Yes. Okay, getting too carried away here.
Awesome.
I have to remember the other monkeys, so I can't just be buying. Yeah. Powerful. Let's do it. Let's get powerful darts. We'll get a cannon right there and a boomerang monkey right there. Missile launcher. That's goated. Bigger bombs. Doing pretty well. We'll just, yeah. This is like really good. Okay, they're both at the same level in upgrades, so yeah. Jeez, I have no idea how he's so powerful. These guys are so powerful. I think the dartling monkey might actually be the best character for racing, because he's actually like cheaper than some characters that are like way weaker than him. But the super monkey, he probably has to be one of the most strongest characters. Oh my gosh. No way. This? How does he gets XP so quick? Like, this is so unfair. Oh my. This is cheating. Okay, I'm gonna get the glue gunner to a higher level because he'll get us that ability, which is OP, and soon we'll be like, that's the first time I've ever saw a balloon come out. Yeah, that's literally the first time I've ever saw a balloon come out of that whatever cave path. No. Okay. Now it's getting harder. Oh no. This is not good. I'm forgetting all about the... You know what? Let's place another one of these. But it's gonna be great. There. So it's gonna shoot like a really long path. Okay. With this one I'm gonna have to put focus firing, because he is so bad at aiming. Like, so bad. Okay, that's a bit better. Defense. This wizard monkey will... Wait, fireball, right? That is not where I want his fireball. So you saw the gutter monk. This dartling monkey actually was saving us a lot. That was really good. You know what? Let's do it back. Holy cow. This is like my new favorite monkey. The gunner monkey? Dartling monkey. Yeah, he is unbelievably strong. So let's place another one. I don't know why. It's just too good. Let's see. Yeah. I think we could get another one of these. Place it right there. Then we'll place another one on the top of the loop. So right up here. And we'll need faster projection. Bigger cannon. And now we can wait for the super monkey. Last time I had an unbelievable amount of super monkeys. I think it was 4 or something. Yeah, I was really rich and Bloons TV 6 rounds. I don't know. I'm getting so confused. I love how these guys, they just spam. They just completely cheat. But if they were able to follow the balloon, the balloons, it would be over. Because if that actually could happen, they'd all be done for. Like, just imagine 4 monkeys with the cannon just shooting at, like, yeah, that'd be unbelievable. These are eyes. Yeah, with the super monkey, I never thought the range was good. But now I know it is super important. Like, very important. What have I done? I placed like, oh my, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dartling monkeys. No. Or I don't know. You know what? No. I can't do it. But I almost did. And you better watch out, because I might do it. Okay. There we go. Blue strike. We really need blue strike. It's really bad. Blue strike. Oh my, we're not even at max speed. Oh god. I thought we were at max speed because look how fast they're shooting. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Well, I don't want us to die though. I haven't even put the helicopter monkeys in. Oh gosh. Thank goodness I did that. What? Bro!
They're leaking.
Come on, I have to die again? Well, that's all we really have with the dartling monkey. I guess we know how OP he is. He's really overpowered. You guys really should farm the balloons to get him, and overall, he's like a 9.5 out of 10. And thank you guys for watching.